sorry, like arithmetic mean, combined mean, they said two group of data are given. Like think about the case. Like two group of data set are given as n1 equal to sample 1, and there is again another data set that is sample 2, and say sample 1 number of terms or number of item is n1, right? Sample 1 number of items is n1. Oof. And x bar is given as x1 bar. Corresponding sigma is given as sigma 1. Similarly, for sample 2, n2 is given. Arithmetic mean is given also x2 bar. Standard deviation is given also a sigma 2. Then the total number of item is n1 plus n2, right? So what is combined mean formula? That is quite simple. X bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar by n1 plus n2. And this is n1. You can say 50 is called n1 value. This is n1 value. This is n2 value. 100 is n2 value. This is x1 bar. That is arithmetic mean of the first group. There is arithmetic mean of the second group. That is 50.2, 50.4. This is sigma 1, the first group standard deviation. This is second group S7. Second group standard deviation. So when you try to find the combined mean, we get the answer 50 into 54.4 plus 100 into 50.4 divided by n1 plus n2. So it is easy. We already learned about that. Combined mean is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar. But now the case of standard deviation, combined SD. The square root of, the formula is square root of n1 sigma 1 bar plus n1 sigma 2, n1 sigma 1 square, right? Plus n2 sigma 2 square plus two additional terms are there. That is n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square. What is that d1? d1 means the difference between the simple sample 1 arithmetic mean and combined arithmetic mean. x1 bar, that is x1 bar value is x1 bar value is 54.4 and x bar value is 51.73. 51.73. Okay, if you divide 54.4 minus 51.73, you can get 2.67. And x2 bar d2, the d2 means x2 bar value is 50.54. You see here x2 value, and x bar, find the x bar as 51.73. So we get minus 1.33. So these two values are required to find the combined mean, and the formula combined SD. Sorry, the formula is n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square by n1 plus n2. And you see, after calculation, you get 7.59. Okay. So these formulas are enough to know about combined mean and different formulas involved SD. Now we go for some MCQs. You see this another term here that is called variance. Just what is the meaning of variance? Variance sometimes written as varix, and there is nothing but the sigma square. The standard deviation whole square is called variance. I repeat, the standard deviation square is called variance. Naturally, for the case of simple observation, the formula is summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. And for the case of frequency distribution, the variance formula will be summation f x square by summation f minus summation fx by summation f whole square. So here for the case example 2, we use simple observation case not. We use the frequency distribution case formula. So x f is given, a little bit tough to calculate. X or f given, so we have to record x square value, and that is 1094, right? Then x is given as this 034. Fx will be given like f will be given as 3214. Fx required fx is also required. So fx is minus 30316, and fx square is also required. That is equal to 309. Uh, 30964. So if we are taking the summation total, x total is not required, x square total 26, 10, fx will be minus 3, 16, and fx square 76. Hence, where x equal to summation fx square, that is 76, by summation f, that is 10, minus summation fx 16 by 10 whole square, that is 7.6 minus 1.6 square. So roughly, probably value will be this, I think. This is not true because 7.6 minus 1.6 whole square. So 56 is not possible. 0.56 is not possible. 2.3 is also not possible, I think. So answer will be 5.68. Okay. So that is the concept so that you can find the variance. Also, you can see some formulas. Variance is there. Variance of fast and natural numbers. So it is quite easy to calculate. Fast and natural number, answer will be this. Variance of fast and natural number, that is, how can you get that? The elements are 1, 2, 3 up to n. So var x, the formula summation n square by summation by n minus summation n by n whole square. So what do you have? Summation n square means n into n plus 1 by 2 minus summation n, that is sorry, n square means n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, 6n minus n into n plus 1 by 2n whole square. Okay. And then we have n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square by 4. That implies you can get n plus 1 common, and 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 by 4. That implies n plus 1 into taking LCM as 12, 2 and 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3. So we have n plus 1 into by 2 by 12 is here, and 4n minus 3 means n minus 1. That implies we have n square minus 1 by 12. So that is the answer. Similarly, you can get so many examples regarding variance and so on. Variance, etc. Some data SDs are there. X bar, standard deviation, x square. So example 4. Different types of, basically all of the examples are related with the standard deviation and QD. We actually left only 2 topics for the measure of dispersion. One is MD and another is range. Only 2 topics are left. One is range and another is mean deviation. Next day, we will start